Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get sliding kills. To begin, master the slide mechanic by pressing your crouch button while sprinting. This allows you to quickly close distances or evade fire. Aim to slide directly into an enemy's path, firing as you emerge from the slide. This technique often catches opponents off guard, giving you a crucial advantage in close quarters engagements. Practice this movement to make it second nature. For an effective sliding kill strategy, your loadout is key. Opt for submachine guns or lightweight assault rifles, as they allow for quicker movement and faster slide transitions. Select perks like double time to extend your tactical sprint and quick fix for immediate health regeneration after a kill. Attachments that boost hipfire accuracy, such as laser sights, are invaluable for firing accurately while sliding into an enemy. Strategic movement is crucial for maximizing sliding kills. Learn to slide cancel by quickly tapping crouch, then jump, then crouch again to reset your tactical sprint and maintain speed. Use slides to aggressively push around corners, catching enemies off guard. Always anticipate where opponents might be, allowing you to pre-aim and slide into their line of sight for a swift, unexpected elimination. Map awareness is your best friend. Consistent practice is essential to perfect your sliding kill technique. Spend time in custom games or the firing range to get a feel for the slide mechanics and weapon handling. Record and review your gameplay to pinpoint areas where you can improve your timing and aim. Don't hesitate to experiment with different controller sensitivities and button layouts to find what feels most comfortable and effective for your playstyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.